Hi spice lovers, if you're looking for an easy no-cook dessert which is super easy to make, here is something that you might want to watch. Mangoes are undoubtedly the king of all fruits, and especially if it is naturally ripened, it is an amazing fruit to be used in any dessert. I really love those chunky bites of mangoes in my dessert, and this is one of the reasons why I prefer to dice my mangoes. Also, another reason being that mangoes have a certain enzyme which does not let the gelatin set, so using raw mango puree is not a good option. To flavor this dessert, I am going to use a classic combination of sugar, saffron and green cardamom, and for maximum flavor extraction, I am going to add all of them in 50 ml of water and heat them in a microwave for 60 seconds and let the flavors infuse. Next, we are going to bloom the gelatin. Just add a tablespoon of gelatin to room temperature water and set it aside. Next, we are going to whisk 1.5 cup of full fat yogurt or dahi till it's smooth. To this, I am going to add the sweet infused water. This is going to make the thick yogurt a bit lighter in consistency. However, if you want a richer version, add all the flavorings to the yogurt directly instead of infusing it in the water. But from a personal experience, I feel that the flavors are really enhanced when you infuse the saffron and cardamom in hot water. The gelatin is now nicely bloomed. Check for the consistency and if required, heat it in the microwave for 30 seconds and this will completely dissolve the gelatin. Now there is a temperature difference between the two liquids and hence we are going to add a few spoons of the yogurt mixture to the gelatin. This might cause some curdling but no need to worry because we are going to strain it any which ways. Certain fruits like mangoes, kiwis and pineapple has an enzyme called protease which breaks the protein bonds of gelatin, thus ruining the final texture. There are two ways around it. The best method is to cook the fruit, but it affects the natural flavor. The other version is to dice the fruit, thus reducing the level of contact and subsequent interaction between the gelatin and the enzyme protease. I personally prefer the second method as the freshness of the fruit is retained in this process. Now put the mixture in small molds, and if you have silicone mold, that's the best option. Now put it in the refrigerator for 6 to 7 hours and let the gelatin set. To serve, you may serve it as it is in the bowl or you may demold it. To demold, heat some water and partly immerse the panna cotta mold in that. Just make sure that no water gets into the panna cotta. The heat from the water would help in an easy release of the panna cotta. I hope you have enjoyed this edition of Wish Upon a Spice. Do press the like button and subscribe to our channel for new videos every week. Till next time, bye spice lovers.